Hello students, in this video we will discuss the activity, diagram based activity related to chapter 1. Here you can see on one side the 6 different arthropods are shown. They are labeled as A, B, C, D, E and F. You know, meaning of arthropods means jointed legs or jointed feet, right? Arthro means jointed, poda means feet. Jointed legs or feet they have. And arthropods are divided into three groups. Sorry, four groups. Insect, myriapods, crustacean, and arachnids. So let's see first part of this question. One of the drawings shows an arthropod named Arrhenius diadematus. This arthropod has a body in two segments and it has 8 legs. Now, body is divided into two segments. This is the characteristic descriptions about the arthropod, right? You have to identify it, and it has 8 legs. Let us see. A, there are 3 pairs of legs, means 6 legs. B also 6 legs. C also 6 legs. And D has many legs, more than 10, right? And okay, and E has 10 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pairs of legs, 10 legs. F has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, F has 8 legs. So you tell the state the name of the group of arthropods that includes Arrhenius diadematus. So now the group, if you remember, you can recall, right? The characteristic features. Okay, who has these characteristic features? That 4 pairs of legs. Yes, it is arachnids. It is arachnids, my dear. Remember, arachnids have this feature. So name of the group is arachnids. Let us see. Yes, this is arachnids. State the letter of the organism in the diagram that shows Arrhenius diadematus. You can see it is very much clear over here, right? I just told you. So this is the letter is F. Okay. Okay. Let us move to next one now. A is clear. Okay. So you need to recall, right, characteristic feature of different groups of arthropods. Phylum arthropod is divided into 4 classes, right? So these 4 classes: insecta, arachnids, crustacean, and myriapod. So you need to remember, recall those features. It's very important. So let's see the B part. State one feature that can be used to classify an animal as an arthropod. So one feature, an animal, right? What is that feature that is used to classify an animal as arthropod? So it is jointed legs. I told you in the beginning. Okay, what is the meaning of arthropods? Arthro, it is made up of 2 words. Arthropoda. Arthro means jointed and poda means legs. Okay, so jointed legs. It's the feature, important feature of arthropods. Let's see now the C part. Uh, State one visible feature that arthropods A, B, and C, these three, have, but arthropods D, E, F do not have. So these three, right, do not have. They don't have, but these three have. A, B, C have. So what is the feature? Yeah, we can observe clearly they have wings. Number one, they have wings. So we have tried one feature only. Other, you can write they have three pairs of legs. And D, E, and F, they have a variant. Like D has more than 10, okay, and E has 5 pairs of legs, and F has 4 pairs of legs. So, I mean, they have either you can write wings or you can write the legs. 3 pairs of legs or 6 legs. Let's see the next part, D part. State the letter of the organism in the diagram that is a crustacean. Who is the crustacean? So here you have to recall the characteristic feature of crustacean. So you can see, my dear, okay, the crustacean, what do they have? You have to give reason also for your answer, why you are considering as a crustacean. So here you can see, let me clear this all first. Okay, now here you can see important feature of crustaceans that they have 5 or more pairs of legs. 5 or more pairs of legs, right? So 5 pairs of legs are visible here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the 10. Okay, 5 pairs are here. The letter is what? E. And what is the reason for it? 5 pairs of legs. Let's move to next slide. Yes. Okay, this is another question here. Structure. So here you can see, mm, yes. So here you can see all living organisms are placed uh, into groups, okay, according to their features. Fine. Myriapod are one of the main group of arthropods. Yes. Okay. The diagram shows that there are 4 main groups of arthropods. We have already discussed about it, right? 4. Uh, so one of the group is shown, that is myriapod, and as 3 you have to name. State the name of 2 other groups of arthropods in the diagram. So which one? Let's see. So first you can write the insect. Second you can write arachnids or crustaceans. So any 2 you can write out these 3, right? Okay, let's see the next one. The table shows names of 3 groups of arthropods, right? Some of their characteristics also are shown here. A group, you can see these groups are shown, and some characteristic features you can see at one side, right? And arachnids, crustacean, myriapods. So you have to, what you have to do? You have to place ticks in the boxes to show the characteristic present in each group, right? Like 4 pairs of legs. 4 pairs of legs, it is the characteristics of arachnids. Yes. 1 pair of antenna, it is the characteristics of myriapod. If you see characteristics, you can see in your textbook also, my dear, about this. It's very important. Page number 12 at IGCSE biology textbook, right? Page number 12, table 1.1. It's very important that you need to go through, right? So you can find here that 1 pair of antenna is found in myriapod, right? And insect. These two have 1 pair of, here you can see arthropod groups are shown. There is no insect is not shown, right? Arachnids, crustacean, and myriapods are shown here. So insect is not shown. Insect and myriapod, they have 1 pair of antenna, right? Or let's see third characteristic, body divided into two main parts. Of course, this crustacean, you can see body divided into two main parts. So one is the like cephalothorax and abdomen. Cephalothorax, head, there is no neck, head and the thorax portion is joint. So cephalothorax, head, cephalo means head. So this is all about the activity, dear students. I hope you may have enjoyed this activity. Okay, bye bye. See you later. Bye.